Janesville, Fitchburg, Watertown, Whitewater, Stoughton, Fort Atkinson, Monroe, Verona, Oregon, Jefferson, McClellan, Monona,
National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern McHenry County and northeastern Illinois until 3 o'clock p.m. At 2:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Harvard, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Greenwood around 2:30 p.m., Wonder Lake and Hebron around 2:35 p.m., Richmond and Ringwood around 2:45 p.m., Spring Grove around 2:50 p.m. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.